Subscribe to Tiger Tech channel and also press the bell icon, then you will never miss any update.
Hello friends, welcome to my channel Tiger Tech. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you guys can fix the issue IDM cannot resume the downloading file. So every IDM user faces this issue whenever they are trying to download any application, and when the application stops and they want to resume it, so it cannot resume. They are facing the issue IDM cannot resume the downloading file. So how you guys can fix that and how you guys can resume it. So guys, before starting this, if you have not yet subscribed, so please subscribe this channel and also press this bell icon, then you will never miss any update. So guys, without wasting any time, let's get started. So guys, first of all, let me show you I have also this issue. Now I'm going to resume this file. So as you guys can see, I have also this issue cannot resume the downloading file. So now I'm going to show you how you guys can resume it. So just cancel this. So guys, before downloading any file, you guys have to save the location of that file. Where you have downloaded this file, you guys have to save the page of that downloading file. So how you guys can save that page? So guys, for example, this is the page that I have downloaded a file. So you guys have to click on this star icon. So when you click on that, so you guys can name it my download file. So after name it, just click on done. Once you're done, go to your new tab and you will see on the top of this page, and you can see this is a file. So now I have already saved my file, and this is the file which I have start download. So this is the page where I have downloaded. So guys, you have to download the same link which you have downloaded before. So guys, just wait for it. So now I am going to download the first link because I have already downloaded from this link. So now just wait for that. So guys, after that, just click on download. So there is a lots of ads coming, so just let me download this file. So guys, once the download window pop up, don't click on start download. Okay, so you have to copy this new URL on the top of this download file. So you guys have to copy this and just cancel this one and go to the old file, right click on it, click on properties, and you guys have to remove this address. Okay, so remove this address and just paste the new address of the file. Just click on OK, and then just resume this download file. So as you guys can see, the download file is resumed, and now the issue is fixed now, and now I'm able to download this application. So guys, thanks for watching this video. If you have any question, you can ask in comment. Also, if you like this video, so give a thumbs up and subscribe this channel. If you like this video, hit that like button, subscribe to Tiger Tech channel, and also press this bell icon, then you will never miss any update.